Let me hold your hand while I say this. Kung meron kang perang pambili ng ticket papunta sa dream country mo, siguro naman meron kang perang pambili ng mumurahing earplugs. Hindi AirPods hindi earphones, hindi headset. Earplugs. Alam mo yun yung mga styro na sinasaksak sa tenga? Okay, gets, nandun na po tayo. We have a responsibility as parents to discipline our children whenever they're being unruly. But you have to understand that children need spaces to be children.
So, bakit hindi ka bumili ng private jet mo para doon mo paglaruin and let the children be children? Gets nyo?
Children will be noisy, children will be silly, children will be approaching you saying random things that they made up. Children will be children. Allow kids to be kids.
No one's saying na hindi dapat maging bata ang mga bata. But there's a place and time na kung saan pwede silang maging bata. Ang hirap kasi sa inyo, napaka-entitled ng generations nyo. 'Di ba? Sa tingin nyo, kayo lang yung may say ng kung paano ba dapat tumatakbo ang isang bagay, isang institusyon in accordance to your own values. Bakit? Kayo lang ba yung may karapatan na magsabi or magdikta ng kung ano yung tama at mali? Ganyan kayo ka-entitled. Pansinin nyo yung mga Gen Z ngayon, marami silang magagandang bagay, magagandang adhikain na gustong mangyari. Pero, never sa kanila manggagaling yung resources or yung solusyon doon sa problemang gusto nilang gawan ng paraan. It's always going to be coming from other people. You are so naive that you do not know the cost of what you want. Equivalent exchange, 'di ba? Ang gusto niya lang palagi, you look good by projecting your values doon sa ibang tao on what is good, what is bad, what is beneficial, what is right, what is wrong. Doon sa ibang tao, and the moment na hindi niya sila makatulad, you would label them as inconsiderate, bad. 'Di ba? So on and so forth. O 'di ba, kung gusto mong paglaruin yung bata, buong flight nyo, maghapon, magdamag, bumili kayo ng private jet. 'Di ba? Kasi kung airliner lang yung sasakyan mo, pantay-pantay lang naman kayo ng pinayad doon. 'Di ba? Ito yung katulad sa pagiging entitled nyo din sa gobyerno Hindi nyo alam yung resource na kailangan para mangyari yung gusto nyong mangyari. Like for example, magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain lahat ng mga Pilipino, may magandang medical assistance, so on and so forth. But do you really know ano yung resources para makuha natin yung ganong klaseng sitwasyon? Hindi rin. But they still keep on shouting that this is what should be. And they forget kung ano yung current reality natin. Yan yung problema sa mga ideals ngayon na pinaandaran lang nila ng ego yung problem solving nila. Mga wala silang ambag doon sa solusyon. They just want to be entitled sa mga bagay na hindi naman nila pinaghirapan. And hindi din nila alam kunin. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
They're not soldiers, they're not SEAL officers from the United States. Mga bata po sila. You're the adult. You're the emotionally dysregulated, unregulated adult. I stand by this even before I became a dad. Let kids be kids. Last thing we want is for our children to be looked at in a way na nakakainis or nakakairita. So please, a little empathy goes a long way.